Hi everyone, this video is about this 18-inch ring lights, LED ring lights. At the price of this ring light, it varies from £46 up to £56. It depends which seller you are going to, and it's really good to have it as a creator or content maker. And then I turn it around and show you what is around the back, and then get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. So at the back it just says the model number is M18S and voltage is 85 to 265 volts. The output is 50 watts and the size of the ring is 18 inch. And the color rendering index is 85 RA, and the way to power this is with adapter, and it has 64 pieces of lamp beads, and the color temperature, it varies from 3000 K up to 6000 K, and the color production of this LED is warm, natural and white, and the material is ABS and metal as the tripod. So I put this away and we are going to talk more about the content. I have to say everything came in the cellophane wrap and very tidy and everything, and it comes with a bag to carry everything. It has a pouch here to put the adapter and all of those everything that you see in the box in here, and it's relatively large, and if I want to measure it is about 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. This is just for everything that you see here, not this one, because it has a dedicated bag for that, and this is for the tripod with the handle, and everything is just looks good, reasonable for the price, and that's really it. This is the tripod. I get the larger item out of the way. This is the tripod. Is one of those that you extend it from here and reveals the first segment of this tripod, and then the second segment, it comes out of here, and the total height of this tripod is about 112 centimeters just to tip of this when fully extended, and is about 44 inches. So I put the tripod away, and then it comes with 3 connectors for your mobile phone, that it goes like so, and then you tighten it from here, and then you can screw it on the main unit here. You have 3 spaces to put 3 of these for the mobile phone, or maybe your tablet or microphone or whatever that you have. We are going to get back to this shortly. So we have 3 of these, and the way to put it I showed you. You just loosen this and push this in there. I'm trying to keep this video short. If I'm talking as if someone is, attacking me, is because I want to keep this video short. And then we have the tablet holder, and this tablet holder inside to inside is 26 centimeters, so is fully capable of holding any tablets in there. And then the way to connect it is just loosen this screw and then push this in there like so, and then tighten it, and this is going to open like this, and then you can mount it over this part of the tripod extender. And then You have 4 levels of adjustment, 1, 2, 3, 4, that it goes like so, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and then you lock it in place like so. You have some sort of plastic spacer here as well. You can, in order to give it more grip on the pole, whichever that you are mounting this is that, and if it's really tiny you can use this, and if it's really thick you can remove that by just taking this away or putting it back. That's it. So, and the way to disassemble, you just pull this apart and that's it. So, and then it comes with a remote control and 2 AAA batteries, and then another remote control for taking pictures and videos remotely on your mobile phone. It has on or off button, and it came with extra battery and the user manual how to pair it. And then you have a ball head that I think for reasonable, the quality is not really amazing, but I think for a reasonable size or weight cameras is doing good, but for heavier I don't recommend this. And it has a shoe here for mounting it in here, from there to here, and then tighten the screws. I can show you that very quickly. It just goes in there. Let me just, doing it with one hand is not desirable. Okay, it goes like so in there, and then you can tighten it via this screw, and then you have a, I think is Allen screw, but we don't have any sort of keys for that. It just goes like so, and then push it in place like that, and then turn the knob round, and then is going to fit in place. So this is the ball head, and then it has an adapter that it says, let me see if I can focus this. It says 26 volt, 1.7 amp, 44.2 watts. But if you remember, on top of the box it was saying 50 watts. Okay, that's really it. And then I just show you the user manual that it came with. This is the user manual. Right side up, it would help. You can pause and read if you want. This is one side and this is the other side. So that's really it. Now let's go to the main item here. And the main item, it has the power adapter connection here that I showed you, and you cannot put this any wrong way around. It's just only one way. It means this one takes DC power, so it's not mains. And then we have 2 USB outlets here for the charging of your mobile phone or tablet, and this one is for tablet and this one is for your mobile phone that is capable of fast charging. I tested this and it's capable of giving out 9 volts, 1 amp, and or 5 volts, 2 amps, and this one is just 5 volts up to 4 amps. I don't have any tablets to try this, but on my Note 9 it was giving nearly to the 2 amps to my mobile phone, but 5 volts. But this one was giving 9 volts under 1 amp power. So here we have the two volumes here. One is for color temperature, that is varies from 3000K to 6000K, and here for the level of brightness from 0 to 100, and this is for the remote control here. So the way to mount this is just to loosen this screw here and then mounting it over this area, this silver area that you see. There is a mark of the screw that I just showed you, and here if you want to mount anything else on this via this screw here, you can do so, but for avoid damaging it, they provide us with this protector here. And that's really it. I think it's time to just turn this on and see how it goes. Let's do that. And I just go to pause and then connect everything, come back. So now the adapter is in the socket, and here, as I told you, there is only one way to connect this, and when you connect it, if the adapter is on, it just comes on. I just show you briefly. This is for the brightness, to lower the brightness, and this is for the color temperature, to go to white, cool, white and warm. And then I guess it goes round and round because we have a let me just bring the light down for you just to avoid dazzling you. And there is something rattling inside, and in order to get that rattling out of the way, if you hear that, I have to open at least 19 screws around here and inside here in order to open this. Maybe I do that later on, but for the time being we have to put up with the rattling. And this is the remote control. This is the display, LCD display. It's a little bit, dirty. Let me see if I can get this off. Yeah, much better. It just only shows you the warmth and the strength of the brightness. It's now at 6%, and this remote control, this one, it just turns the brightness on to 100%, and then this one is just turns the color to the color temperature capability 3000, 4500 and 6000, and this one is just turning the warm light down and up, as you see there, by increments. And then very nicely here written made in China. But the quality, I have to say, is not bad, is not really heavy. And this is the section. It's just turn the light to the section like warm, natural and cool. And these two auxiliary, I think it does the same. Yeah, it does the same. I guess this is multi-purpose in their factory to use it with every other item as well. And then we have the night, which is turning the light really low, warm, low. And then this is the daylight, that is putting it to the maximum. And these two USBs that we are having here is really helpful. Let me turn the light down or turn it off like night time, and just put it in there just to see how it looks like. So those two USBs, they are really good idea if you are running out of juice on your mobile phone or tablet. You can use that. And that's really it. Already we are over 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.